All right, so imagine this. Your mom called you on the phone and she's having a problem with casting her phone. She doesn't know why it's not appearing. She doesn't know why she can't see the TV or the device popping within the casting list. And for some reason, she's just having internet problems in general. And so it is time for you to give your unpaid technical professional support to make sure that your mother gets the best service that she can get and to ultimately solve her problem. Well, I've had this with multiple people actually, and I believe people around my age have been unpaid technical support professionals for most of their life to help their parents figure out today's modern tech world. So today we are actually going to be talking about fixing that technical problem of casting your phone to your television and the things that you can help them kind of look for when they're having this issue. And if you just don't have enough time to help your poor mother that needs your guidance on how to cast their phone to the television, then please share this video with them so that way they have a video to kind of walk by, and hopefully I will help them in your place. But if you like this type of content and if you feel my pain of being an unpaid technical support person, please like this video, share with your friends, and let's go on and get with it. So the first thing we want to tackle when it comes to solving any problem when it comes to two devices is always network. This is not a job for Bluetooth. This is a job for Wi-Fi signals. And a lot of times your router itself just might be having a bad day. And a lot of people, what they don't realize is that these devices, routers and modems and stuff aren't really supposed to be on 24/7 all the time. And another quick check too is a lot of applications, if you're trying to share an application but your mother is trying to share like the actual phone itself, tell her to first look at trying to cast from the app itself. You want to make sure that the app doesn't already have a casting button, because honestly that's going to be a lot easier than trying go into the Google setting or try to go to the Google Chromecast or try to mess with like a lot of the Apple Play stuff and try to cast the entire screen. And though you don't want to do that anyway, because you're going to be casting everything that you see. So when you're watching something, your private messages might pop up and some other stuff might get in the way, or the ads might get in the way. You really don't want that. You want to make sure that if there's an app that you're trying to use that has the content, that the app itself has a share button. You hit that button, find the device within the list, and share it that way. It's going to be a lot less hassle for her who needs to share her content and for you who needs to help her. And with that, those are really the basic things that everybody should try when they're trying to cast from their device. And as always, no matter what, these are common issues. It's not something that everybody kind of should know or just doesn't know, but it's a lot of things that we all just don't think about. And sometimes technology just frustrates everybody. So with this, hopefully I was able to help you out and be your unpaid technical professional support person in this time of need, and I helped you solve your problem. And if I did, please hit the like button, share this with your friends, and of course share it with your mother, so that way if she asks this again, she already has a video that she can go to. With that being said, hopefully everything was solved today and I helped you solve your dire situation problem or whatever it was at the time. Thank you.